Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
What's up, guys? I'm here at this Target. I wasn't planning on hunting today or anything, but you know, I had to go pick up some lunch for me and the family, so decided to swing by real quick. And it looks like they just put out a fresh couple of cases of these Hot Wheels IDs, so let's check them out. Alright, cool. They have this Audi R8 LMS, very cool, definitely taking one. They have the BMW i8 Roadster, nice, taking one. They have another Audi. Ooh, check out the Bone Shaker, guys, definitely taking one of those. I'm a huge fan of the Bone Shakers. Let's see what else they have. Have another Bone Shaker over there. They have another BMW i8. They have this Darth Vader. Don't care for that one. Oops. Let's see what they have on this side. Oops, I'm already dropping stuff, guys. Check this out. Yeah, looks like these things are loaded with the R8s. Check this Back to the Future one, guys. Definitely taking one of these. Oh, let's put these back. Here's another Bone Shaker. Here's another Darth Vader. Here's a Time of Taxi. Ooh, nice Batmobile. Definitely gonna take one of these. And then over here is the HW50 concept, which I'm not gonna take. I'm just gonna leave here. But yeah, so far so good. Let's see what else they have. Move this to the side. So here we have another Back to the Future time machine. Cool. We have another Star Wars Roadster HW50 concept. We have a 69 Corvette Racer. Very cool. Nice. Check this out, Mustang Hunter. Custom 15 Ford Mustang. Nice. And here's another Batmobile. And another Back to the Future. Let's see what else they have. Here's another 69 Corvette Racer. Yeah, it looks like a bunch of repeats. Time of Taxi, Bone Shaker, BMW Roadster, another Audi. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for joining me in another quick express haul. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.
Say what you wanna say to me now.